exploring the mysteries of Adams Bridge. Welcome to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating intersections of nature, history, and mythology. Today, we are exploring one of the most intriguing natural formations in the world, Adams Bridge, also known as Rama's Bridge or Ram Setu. Join us on this journey as we uncover the geological, historical, cultural, and environmental significance of this extraordinary structure. Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Anthony Sami, and today we are going to take a closer look at Adams Bridge, a natural chain of limestone shoals stretching between India and Sri Lanka. This formation isn't just a geographical marvel, it's a site rich with historical tales and mythological legends. Let's dive right in. Adams Bridge spans approximately 50 kilometers, connecting Pamban Island off the coast of Tamil Nadu, India, to Mannar Island in Sri Lanka. Composed mainly of sandbanks and shoals, this structure is believed to be between 7,000 and 18,000 years old. Numerous theories exist about its formation, but geological evidence suggests these limestone shoals are remnants of land that once connected India and Sri Lanka. Interestingly, historical records indicate that Adams Bridge was traversable until the 15th century. However, over the years, it gradually eroded due to storms. The European Space Agency, ESA, has observed that some sandbanks in the Ram Setu are dry, and the sea in this area is very shallow, ranging from only 1 to 10 meters deep, as indicated by the light color of the water. Historical references to Adams Bridge can be found in ancient maps dating back to the 9th century. British cartographers in the 18th century also documented its presence. In Indian literature, the bridge is famously mentioned in the epic Ramayana, where it is said to have been constructed by Lord Rama's army to reach Lanka and rescue his wife, Sita. This blend of historical records and epic narratives makes Adams Bridge a subject of great interest for historians and archaeologists. While some researchers speculate that parts of the bridge might be man-made, this theory remains a topic of debate without conclusive evidence. In Hindu mythology, Adams Bridge is revered as Ram Setu, the bridge built by Lord Rama. It holds immense cultural significance for Hindus, symbolizing divine intervention and epic heroism. Similarly, in Islamic tradition, it's believed that Adam used this bridge to cross from Sri Lanka to India after being expelled from the Garden of Eden, giving it the name Adam's Bridge. These rich mythological stories enhance the cultural value of Adams Bridge, making it a site of pilgrimage and spiritual reflection for many. Adams Bridge is part of the Gulf of Mannar Biosphere Reserve, a region known for its biodiversity. The shallow waters and sandbanks create a unique marine ecosystem, home to various endangered species. From a navigational perspective, Adams Bridge poses a barrier to large vessels. Proposals to dredge parts of the bridge for the Setusmudram shipping canal project have sparked debates over environmental and religious concerns. Mannar Island, covering around 130 square kilometers, is connected to mainland Sri Lanka by both a road bridge and a railway bridge, visible at the southern end of the island. On the Indian side, Rameswaram Island, also known as Pamban Island, can be accessed via the 2-kilometer-long Pamban Bridge. The islands to main towns are Pamban and Rameswaram, approximately 10 kilometers apart. The European Space Agency has released stunning images of Ram Setu, captured by its Copernicus Sentinel-2 satellite. This chain of shoals, stretching 48 kilometers, separates the Gulf of Mannar from the Polk Strait and is part of protected national parks in both India and Sri Lanka. The sand dunes serve as breeding grounds for birds such as the brown noddy, and the shallow waters support numerous species of fish, sea grasses, dolphins, dugongs, and turtles. Adams Bridge is more than just a natural formation, it's a confluence of geology, history, culture, and ecology. Whether viewed through the lens of ancient epics or modern science, this bridge continues to captivate and inspire. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the mysteries of Adam's Bridge. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more fascinating explorations. Share your thoughts and any additional information you might have in the comments below. Until next time, keep exploring.